Hi, we're here at Hermosa Brewing today. I'm with Jorge, the co-founder and brewmaster. And Jorge, would you like to tell us what we're doing today?
We wanted to make a wheat beer with vanilla and lavender.
So the first flavor we're going to add to this is Violet Lavender water-soluble extract. Amazing floral aroma, super concentrated, which is why we're going to use just a very small amount with our pipette here. And I like, when we start dosing, I like to start at about 1 ounce per barrel, and just figure that out in your with your microliters and your pipette. And we're going to just start checking for aroma.
Wow.
So already you're getting some of that floral bouquet, right?
Definitely there.
It's instant, I think. And then the second part that I like to always do now is, obviously we're concerned about taste because we're brewers. So I give it a small sip, and I get that great wheat ale base. But for me, it finishes just as the wheat ale.
Yeah.
And I would prefer a little bit of lavender on the flavor as well. And next, we're gonna add a little bit of our violet lavender compound. It has a little bit of sugar in it, which I find the sugar just really makes the extract pop. So this is a little bigger pipette. We're working in milliliters now instead of the microliters, because this product line has a little higher use level. So now with our compound.
Oh, wow.
So almost instantly, right?
Yeah,
I think
the aroma is like double or triple.
It's amplified by just adding
Definitely amplified.
We added just a little bit of this compound, and I think the lavender's great on it now.
And there's a lavender.
And now it tastes,
Oh, yeah.
finishes with lavender, right?
Yeah, which I did not get from
With just the extract.
inside.
Yeah, right. So the extract does a great job of topping up aromas always. But if we want to add some depth of flavor, that's why we chose to blend the extract and the compound together.
That's fair.
Are you happy with that lavender amount?
Yeah.
Great. Let's move on to the vanillas.
Wow, that's very nice.
So we have many vanilla products in our catalog. I think when I checked last, it was over 51 products. What I found cuts really well in beer, and this is a wheat beer, so it's a little denser of a base. French vanilla, our natural French vanilla extract, really cuts through that base. And so we're gonna use this for aroma, and then we'll also add a little bit of vanilla bean craft puree to amplify the flavor again. Yeah, it's almost like that baker's vanilla for me, and it cuts really well. It's like a pastry vanilla, and I find that in the finished beer, you really want that to come through.
Such a small amount.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the microliter.
Yeah, we're back to microliters, and this one is not going to take a lot. When we scale this up in the tank, it's not going to take a whole lot. So we've just dosed the vanilla craft puree to top up our French vanilla extract, and tell me what you think.
I think you hit the balance of the flavors really nicely.
Great.
Wow, the vanilla works really well with the lavender. It doesn't dominate either one.
Good.
I can also taste that it is a wheat beer, so that's kind of nice.
Yeah.
So once again, to overuse the term, the balance of the three flavors is really very good. Nice.
Great.
That is very nice. Lavender has a way of overpowering, so I think this is just the right level.
It can be a little too soapy sometimes, and that's why I found blending the extract with the compound worked really nice with this.
No, thank you for doing that. Cause that's what I was afraid of that, which is why I reached out to you. I can't wait to get this carbonated.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh wow, that's gonna be a hit.